How would you like to form our
Oh
Christmas
my
in the
God!
future?
Yun
Same
din.
lang.
Oh, so kind of same idea. Kind of same idea.
Basta,
Our Christmas
given
together.
that, hindi, given that,
Ay,
ayan, parang ganun. In the future,
tayo.
basta, oo.
Sa couple.
Uh,
Okay.
ako feeling ko, most of the format would come from the fun moments
Ako,
from childhood.
okay. Okay, for
Pero
con.
isipin mo kasi usually kapag tayo na lang sa future, dalawa naman tayo, wala man akong balok agad.
Oo nga, yun nga. Sasabihin ko pa lang. Disclaimer. Right, at least right now, at this point in time. So, syempre, we don't know in the future, diba? But right now, the future that we are looking at is we don't have kids. Okay? So,
We're gonna be dink.
we're gonna be dink. So, since no kids, it's gonna be a bit different. Diba? Pero ang ideal Christmas for me would be medyo
Sa akin, very Pinoy. Very Pinoy yung version ko.
very Pinoy.
Ah.
Very ano sa akin. Very madamot. A bit. Okay.
Okay.
So, ganito. Um, Christmas Eve. The day before Christmas,
Mm.
ang bet ko mangyari would be us cooking. Diba? Just get sa simple dinner.
So like groceries,
May groceries,
ganyan.
ganyan, restock ng stuff. And then we're just gonna have we're gonna have Christmas lunch. Okay.
Outside?
Huh?
Outside?
Yeah, after natin mag-errands, we get like Christmas lunch. And then we're gonna cook. And then we're gonna have early Christmas dinner. Okay? Yeah, early Christmas Eve dinner. And then change lock tayo. Change lock tayo ng Christmas Eve. So,
Where do you wanna go?
saka na natin isipin, either your side or my side.
Per family.
Family. We go to a family. We're gonna spend Christmas Eve with one side of the family. And then kinabukasan, Christmas Day, another set of people, which is Christmas family, either side mo or side ko. Gets? Yun yung sa akin. And then, maybe we end the day ng tayo lang sa bahay. Yun.
As
That's
in
what-
evening ng 25.
Evening ng 25.
That's a very ideal Christmas.
Yun yung bet ko.
Yung vision ko, very similar to that. Ano lang, to me, instead of evening yung punta sa kung sino mang side, and then the day after, ang nasa isip ko naman is 24 ng
Araw. We spend with someone, with one side of the family.
and then 25 day, ganun din. So both evening style lang. Or somewhere
Ay, pwede yan. Gusto ko rin yan.
Pero for
Yeah.
now, parang mas bet ko yung idea.
Kasi ano eh.
Ano lang kasi, Christmas Eve is a big thing
Oh,
for families. So I guess mas preferable yun sa kanila.
yeah. Ano rin, I'm not against.
Ako, may isa akong vision.
Sige, ikaw muna. Kinikilig ako.
Having a holiday, as in Christmas holiday, salubong, as in 23, 24, 25, 26, elsewhere. And then both our families are there.
Oo.
So mga,
Parang pasasamahin natin.
your fam, then my fam.
Ano,
Or maybe a bit of my cousins.
that could be a good That could be a good. Ano nasa isip ko?
Alam mo, wala nga parang I won't mind if that's going to be the norm.
Oo.
Every December may outing, both
Oo.
families included. Wala lang, parang hindi na tayo mag-segregate or like parang hindi na tayo
Parang,
mag-set.
dito muna, din dito.
Parang hindi na tayo mag-set ng specific times.
Oo. Okay. Yeah, that's ideal. Realistically, di ba? But, eto pa.
Medyo realistic din naman siya kasi for me, it's a matter of ipon.
Fancy.
Kasi December naman year-end, diba? And you can book early.
Yeah. Ako may isa pa akong vision. Pero this is like a plan B. Okay? Parang just to be clear, I don't mind you spending Christmas with your family. And my
Ah,
Christmas with my family.
oo.
I
Pwede
mean, making
din.
preference
Pwede
Malulungkot
rin,
ako a
oo.
bit gets, especially if you're married by then. Mahirap yung andun ka, andito ako. But, saying it right now, hindi siya maging source of sama ng loob for me.
Me din. Oo, ako din.
Okay lang. It's fine.
Me din. Kasi,
Parang,
feeling ko din kasi at that point, baka nga ipagpasalamat pa natin yun eh.
kasi parang, we get to relive a bit
Yeah.
our past,
Oo, basta for me, feeling ko for us naman, same lang.
para rin may baon kang,
Same elements kami ng nasa list
oh,
in our future Christmases. Family namin, family ko.
oh,
Dapat nandun. So, either nagkakatayo lang yan if, yun nga, yung Christmas Eve or the Christmas day. Or outing elsewhere for several days.
Yeah.
Or yung separate. Pwede rin naman.
pwede natin gawin would be,
Alternate.
this year and the next year. Or, why not just have Christmas for ourselves and then saka tayo maghiwalay pagdating ng New Year?
Pwede rin.
Doon ka dito. Kasi boring din naman. Okay, hot take. Medyo boring din naman yung Christmas eh. Mas big deal for us ang New Year.
Sa
Mas
inyo.
pasabog for us yung New Year.
Oo naman, sa amin din. Pero, Christmas is different.
Kaya yun nga, parang mas meaningful kasi ang Christmas to be with
Christmas is
family.
different. Mas maingay lang yung New Year. Pero, to us, it's always been Christmas talaga.
Pwede rin baliktad. We spend Christmas separately and then saka tayo mag-solo New Year.
Pwede rin. Kung gusto mo, Christmas and then New Year.
Yeah. Anyway.
Ako, ang most preferable for me right now is the outing. Both families are
That's
there.
ideal. Especially pag marami ka funds, diba? Why not?
Oh, alam mo, for me, hindi problema ang funds.